The Shieldon-1 by Laser Engraving Pros. Today we're going to assemble your face shield. Step 1. Assemble the connector into the headband. Step 2. Attach the nose piece to the connector. Step 3. Peel the protective plastic layer off your face shield. Step 4. Line up the notches on the headband with your face shield. Make sure to bend your headband forward in order to get it in the last notch. Step 5. Take your rubber bands and loop them together, forming one band, like a bow tie. Step 6. Attach the rubber band to the headset. To adjust the headband, simply loop it multiple times. Step 7. Peel the outer layer of protective plastic. The Shieldon-1 by Laser Engraving Pros.